Danny Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com. Today I'm giving you 11 reasons why investing in a natural latex topper to put on your existing mattress is a fantastic idea. So it's got open cell construction. That means that the cells inside are breathable and that will keep you sleeping cool throughout the night. It's planet friendly. So the natural latex is harvested from the Hevea Brasiliensis tree, which grows in tropical regions. This does not kill the tree. It's sort of like the maple syrup that comes out of the tree, and it's collected, and through some processing, it's baked into a beautiful foam. A natural latex topper can lengthen the life of your existing mattress. The dark reality is that a polyurethane mattress will only last about 3 to 5 years before it starts developing dips and body impressions. So if you want to extend the life of that mattress, go with a natural latex topper that can really boost the life of that polyurethane mattress if you're not ready to get an entire new natural latex mattress. If your current mattress is nearing the end of its life, but you don't quite have the budget to get an entire new mattress, why not opt for a natural latex topper? You can add that right on top of your existing mattress, put a cover on top of it, and away you go. You have a bed with a brand new feel, and the latex is contouring, pressure relieving, and super breathable. If you want a different feel for your mattress, say it's too firm, too soft, or you just want to see what else is out there, getting a natural latex topper is a fantastic idea because you can easily put it on top of your existing mattress and get a new feel without making that huge commitment to getting a brand new mattress, having to discard your old one, etc. Contrary to polyurethane foam, natural latex foam is both dust mite resistant and resistant to mold and mildew. So you won't have any problems with allergens and things getting into your mattress if you go with a natural latex topper. If you're suffering from joint and muscle pain, a natural latex topper can do wonders for your aching body. Because it's contouring, it's pressure relieving, and it's very, very responsive. That means that once it's compressed, say you move positions, the rebound is instantaneous. It's a lot faster than polyurethane and is actually the complete opposite of memory foam. If you ever seen memory foam bounce back, it's very slow to regain its shape. Natural latex is the complete opposite of memory foam. It responds instantly. A natural latex topper will last a lot longer than a polyurethane topper. A polyurethane topper will last maybe about 3 to 5 years if you're lucky, whereas a natural latex topper is an investment for the long term. You can have one of these last 15, 20, 25, even 30 years. Heck, I've even seen a mattress that is 50 years old and the latex foam inside was still responsive and still good for use. So these last a long time, and you can just move it from one mattress to the other. Just roll it up and transport it to another room, set it up on a mattress, put a bed sheet over it, and away you go. Unlike polyurethane, which is filled with chemicals that might emit VOCs, that's volatile organic compounds, into your home environment, natural latex is completely free from VOCs. It won't pollute your indoor air, and it's made from very simple ingredients. The main ingredient is natural latex sap, which comes from the Hevea Brasiliensis tree, and it's baked into this beautiful natural latex foam. So if you want a complete list of natural latex toppers that are organic, third-party certified, and will last many, many years and give a fresh feel to your existing mattress, go to naturalmattressfinder.com, type toppers into the search bar, or look for toppers in the navigation menu. naturalmattressfinder.com.